Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you my top favorite jeans that I recommend from Amazon. To me, these are like the best, and I have tried many jeans from different stores. One of my favorite jeans when it comes to like regular jeans and shorts are from Luvamia. Luvamia on Amazon is my favorite. But in this video, I wanted to show you their new spring denim shorts that they brought out for 2022, and I wanted to share with you guys because I was super excited when they came out with their jeans. These were all sent to me, so I'm so happy and thankful to Luvamia from Amazon for sending me all of these pieces. So thank you so much. I already tried these on. I know how they feel, I know how they look, even though I'm showing you on the screen, but I always like to try my clothes on before I talk about them because I want to make sure I know what I'm talking about. And I already knew I'm gonna love them because I had really good experience with Luvamia. I have worked with Luvamia multiple times, and like I said, they are one of my top favorites from Amazon. They're also really affordable as well. So I know with Amazon, usually it's like a hit or a miss. It's like kind of like a guessing game. You don't really know what you can get, you know? Sometimes it's like, yes, I love it, and then there's times like, what just happened, you know? Especially when you see it in the picture, it looks so nice, but when you get in person, you're like, that's not what I ordered. I'm here to help you find the perfect jeans on Amazon, and like I said, these are my favorites, so I know you guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna get right into it, but before we begin, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna first start off with one of my favorite jeans from their whole collection. So they sent me a lot of pairs of jeans. Like, this is a lot, I know. But these have to be like one of my top favorite. These are the ones that I really recommend to you guys. They're so flattering. And here's the thing, guys. I know with jeans, we all have different styles. So what might be my favorite style of jeans might not be your favorite. But what I will say is all these jeans fit really nicely. They have a perfect amount of stretch, but they're super comfortable. They're soft. They're not a stiff denim, so they are very forgiving, and they're very figure flattering. So that's one thing I love about their jeans. And another thing I want to mention is usually with their jeans, I always get in a size small, but with shorts, I decided to get them all in a medium. And that's just personal preference. I could have gotten a small, but I got in a medium because I'm very curvy. So if you're curvy, you might want to size up if you don't want it to look like booty shorts. I wanted to make sure that they look more like shorts on me, if you know what I mean. So I decided to get in a medium, and I think they fit perfectly. I love it. So anyways, let me show you the first ones. The first ones are these right here. And like I said, these are my #1 top pick favorites. We are starting off really strong, but I do have a lot of favorites. I'm gonna go from the top to my least favorite. And here's the thing, guys. I'm not saying I don't like some of them. I honestly like all of them, but I will tell you like what's my top favorite, and we'll go down from there. But again, it's basically personal preference, and it just depends on what kind of style shorts you like, you know? So this is my favorite one out of all of them. I didn't think that this one was going to be my favorite. I thought it was really cute, but when I put them on, guys, these are so nice and flattering. I was so surprised, and they're very unique because they have this like white and blue striped right here, and then it's ripped up, and it does have like this ripped flare look going all around the shorts. And then in the back, it does have like the little distressed look as well. They're so stretchy, but at the same time, it cinches you in and it gives you a nice figure. That's the reason why I love Luvamia shorts. They're just great quality, and when you buy them, doesn't matter which ones you buy, you will love them because they are all good. They are all very consistent with their quality pieces. So that's why I really love their jeans. I can show you guys a variety of styles and different shades of denim that they have. All of these jeans come in different shades. So this one does come in like multiple shades. So if you don't like the light wash, they also have dark wash, black wash, and so on. But Anyways, these are super cute. They fit perfectly. So these, surprisingly, they're my favorite. I absolutely love them. The next favorite are these right here. Now, I know they look very similar. Let me show you the difference. I'm gonna show you the difference. So the difference with these, that the distressed look right here kind of breaks apart this fringe that goes around. And this has like a blue stripe. And these are a little bit longer. And then the second ones that I'm showing you right now, they're a little bit shorter. I actually remember these shorts that Walmart was carrying last year. I don't know if they're gonna bring them back, but they call them festival shorts. And I guess it was because of like the fringe detail that was going all around in the front and the back. And I thought that was very appropriate a name for it, because it does look like you could use these shorts at a festival. They're so cute. The only thing is, guys, I'm very curvy. If these would have been just a little bit shorter, it would have been like way too short. So that's the reason why if you want your jeans to be like more loose, then size up. But they are true to size. You can get your regular size. But these I love, guys. I absolutely love these. I love the fringe detail. They're very different. And in the back, it looks like this. Again, very, very stretchy. Moving on to the next jeans that I'm pleasantly surprised that I love them that much. I honestly did not think I was gonna like them, but I wanted to try them out because I wanted to get a variety of jeans. You know what? I'm gonna try the Bermuda shorts. If you guys have not tried Bermuda shorts, they're slightly longer shorts. They are above your knees. I always am very like hesitant to try Bermuda shorts. I don't know why I can't say it. Because I kind of feel like it makes me look weird. I don't know why. I always had that in my head, like, okay, it's not gonna look right, but I thought, you know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a try, so that way I can really see if I actually like it. I am so surprised how much I like these. These are my top favorites, like top favorites, and I absolutely love them. So they look like this, and like I said, they do come in multiple shades, but I really like the light wash. I just think these are so pretty. They're so flattering. I absolutely love them. Right here is really soft, so it doesn't like go inside your thighs, because I have more like thick thighs, but they don't like squeeze me in. You know what I mean? Like, it's so nice and comfortable, but it stays nice on the body. I can't believe how much I love these. I'm planning on wearing these with some sandals, or one way I noticed that these Bermuda shorts look really good in is with a pair of heels. That's like an unexpected look. I really want to wear these with a pair of heels, but let's be real. Me being a mom of a toddler, it's not gonna happen anytime soon, but in my dreams and in my mind, it will one day. How I know I'm gonna wear it with is a pair of like studded sandals. I have a pair of nude studded sandals, and maybe like a white button up. And I just love these. Oh my gosh, guys, these honestly you have to pick up. Like, try them out. Don't knock it till you try it. That I had to learn to like really practice that, because a lot of times if it's something I don't like, I'm like, no, I'm not gonna try it, I'm not gonna like it. And there's times when I tried it and I love it. So I love the distressed look going all the way down. I love the fact that this goes all the way down right here. There's some more distress going all around, as you can see, and then there's also some distressing in the back, like so. I love these. So you guys know, Bermuda shorts are really on trend right now, especially for the coming spring and summertime. Moving on to the next pair of shorts, that this one I was really surprised how much I love it. I just love the way they look, the fit of it, the way it makes me feel. And I think the reason why I love these next shorts is the fact that they are a little bit longer length than the other shorts. I'm not into shorts like booty shorts. I'm into longer length shorts, and these are just gorgeous. This is a medium wash, and as you can see, it's a little bit longer. It has like a raw hem, and there's no distressing going on these at all. But they are so nice and flattering. They do have the button flag right here, and they're just really nice. I can see myself wearing these a lot for the spring and summertime because they're just that good. As you can see, they're very nice and stretchy, but it does cinch you in. It does give you a nice figure. It's very comfortable. It doesn't dig in your stomach. None of that. I just love these. And like I said, these do come in multiple shades. The next ones are a little bit different. They look similar to the ones I just showed you, but the difference between these and those is that these come cuffed, and you cannot uncuff it because they do have this like stitch together. So it does look very similar, only it looks in a different shade, but I promise you these are not the same style shorts. So anyways, it has a raw hem right here, and they did stitch it together. It looks like this, and this one does have the button fly closure. So I mean, I know some people love button flies, some people hate it. It's personal preference, but they do have this. I personally love button flies. I don't really mind if it's button fly or a zip up. I love both, but this one is so pretty. It's like a light wash, and then this is how it looks in the back. I love the way it's like acid wash in between, has a little bit of distressing right here, and just love the fact that it has some nice stretch. It's like the perfect amount of stretch. Moving on to a pair of black shorts. I honestly don't have any black shorts. I don't own any of them, so I really wanted to try these. And these are what I call the festival shorts. What I told you guys about earlier, I seen the Walmart shorts. They were called festival shorts, and they had them in black, and I really wanted to get them, but they sold out really fast. And when I seen that they had these, I was so excited, guys. These are just gorgeous. So they look like this, and then they have the fringe going all the way in the front through the back. It has some distressing in the back as well, like so. And then it does have, of course, the distressing going in the front right here. Again, it is super stretchy. Now, these are the only ones that are the same as the light wash. The first ones that, no, actually the second shorts that I showed you in this video are the same like this one, only this one is in the black shade. And I just love these. These are gorgeous, guys. So I do highly recommend them. This is how they look. One thing I do wish I got, which now I'm looking at it and I don't know why I didn't, is I don't know why I didn't get a pair of white denim. But maybe I'm gonna have to just pick one up because I really do want one like this in the white. I also want to get the Bermuda shorts in the white as well. Then last but not least, these are my least favorite. Not that anything's wrong with them. They are perfect. The only reason why I don't really like them is the shade. Now I know, like I said, it's all personal preference, so you might love them. I don't. I just wish I got in a different shade. And I know it just, to me, it just comes down to the shade, because everything else, they fit perfect. They're gorgeous. They're figure flattering. Like I said, these jeans are like my favorite from Luvamia because their quality pieces of jeans are always a hit. So I know the quality is always good, but they look like this. And I know you guys might think I'm crazy. Like, what is wrong with these jeans? These are perfect. I just personally don't like the shade, but if you do, that's fine. I just wish I got it in like a lighter shade. This is a medium wash, kind of looks like acid wash in between, and that's probably what's kind of like throwing me off. But it does fit really nicely. It does have the distressing going along the shorts in the front, and then it also has distressing in the back. Looks like this. It's the perfect amount of length. These again are very nice and stretchy. So it does have the zipper and the button closure. Again, like I said, nothing's wrong with them, but I just don't like the shade. That's the only thing. Like, if you like this, then that's fine, but for me personally, I don't really like the shade. But yeah, these are cute, love them. So there's that. And last but not least, I also picked up their button-up shirt. I'm in love with this. This is a black button-up shirt, and it is gorgeous. I love it. It is short sleeve. It has 2 buttons right here on top, and it's kind of like a linen material. It feels like a linen material. I got it in a medium, and if you guys don't know, I always get in a medium when it comes to button-ups like this because there is no stretch to it. As you can see, there's no give. So because I'm heavy on top, I'm a 34 triple D, I always size up to a medium instead of a small. So just keep that in mind. But I have to say I really love this top as well. And I do want to mention that they do have other clothing pieces besides jeans. But I wanted to get mostly jeans because I wanted to show you guys the best jeans for the coming spring and summertime, because I think around this time is perfect where we can, you know, get a pair of new jeans, shorts. That's why I decided to get like mostly jeans, but I wanted to get a top as well, just to let you guys know that they do also have other clothing pieces like tops, cardigans, long jeans. I mean, they just have a lot of variety, but I wanted to show you guys these, like I said, because these are my favorite. Luvamia is just amazing. Their quality pieces is always a hit. I always have great experience with them, and it's the reason why I have worked with them multiple times before, because I just love them. And like I said, this one I love as well. It is beautiful, highly recommend. They have these in multiple colors. I do want to get my hands on the white one. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that this video was helpful. If you enjoy watching this video, I would appreciate if you can give it a thumbs up. It really does help my algorithm. And if you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.